Your Mercedes-Benz allows you to customise several key attributes to the way you like to drive. Using Dynamic Select, you can switch between different driving styles to suit your mood or the road you're driving on. You can even customise your very own individual driving program. Imagine you are commuting to work on busy roads and you prefer an unobtrusive driving experience. By using the Dynamic Select control, you can set the vehicle to comfort mode. The engine response and gear selection are conservative, with automatic upshifts at lower engine revs. This optimises both fuel use and comfort. If fuel conservation is a key concern, choose the Eco program, which prioritises greatest fuel efficiency via measures including metered air conditioning and restrained engine response. When the road opens up and you're in the mood to drive, select Sport and your vehicle will immediately adopt a more performance-focused driving style. This program sharpens throttle response and holds shifts for a sportier, more agile experience. If you prefer different features from across the various modes, that's what the individual setting is for. This allows the driver to individually specify the mix of comfort, conservation and performance that best suits their driving style. Next time you go for a drive in your Mercedes-Benz, try each program to see which one is right for you. And remember, each program may suit a different drive.